The founder of the Young Bengal movement was Henry Louis Vivian Desrosiers. It was founded in the late 1820s in Calcutta. Young Bengal movement was started by Sir Henry Louis, who was the teacher of the Hindu college. The supporters of the Young Bengal movement were influenced by the ideals of the French Revolution. They preached the ideals of liberty, equity and fraternity. Desrosiers' teaching questioned the existing superstitions and age-old beliefs. He taught his followers to live and die for the truth. They emphasized on the female education and rights of a woman. They supported the freedom of press and favored better treatment of the Indian labor abroad. Brahmo Samaj. The Brahmo Samaj was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy in the year 1828 at Calcutta. Brahmo Samaj is a religious movement founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy in 1828. The Brahmo Samaj believed in the existence of one God who is omnipresent and omniscient. It condemned some of the evil practices of Hinduism like caste system, sati, child marriages, etc. Brahmo Samaj evoked issues that were common to all people around the Indian subcontinent. The Brahmo Samaj has played a significant role in the Renaissance of India. The roots of much of the modern thinking can be traced back to the Brahmo Samaj. Aligarh movement. The Aligarh movement was founded by the Syed Ahmad Khan in the year 1857 at Aligarh in Uttar Pradesh. The movement was started by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan to educate the Muslims of the Indian subcontinent after the defeat of the rebels in the Indian Rebellion of 1857. It had enormous successes and had a profound impact on the future of the subcontinent. In 1875, Syed Ahmad Khan founded the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College at Aligarh as a center for spreading Western sciences and culture. Later on, this college grew into the Aligarh Muslim University. Radha Swami movement. The Radha Swami movement was founded by the Shiv Dayal Singh in the year 1861 at Agra. Radha Swami movement was founded in 1861 by Shiv Dayal Singh of Agra, who is a banker by profession. He was also popularly known as Tulsi Ram or Swamiji Maharaj. The Radha Swamis believe in one supreme being, the supremacy of the Guru, who is a company of the pious people, which means satsang and simple social life. They believe that there is no need to renounce the worldly life for spiritual attainments. They further hold that all the religions are true. The section recognizes no temples, shrines or sacred places. Works of faith and charity, the spirit of service and prayer are laid down as necessary duties. Prarthana Samaj. It was founded by Dr. Atmaram Pandurang in the year 1867 at Bombay. The Prarthana Samaj was founded in 1867 in Mumbai by Dr. Atmaram Pandurang as an offshoot of the Brahmo Samaj. It was later joined by the M.G. Ranade and M.G. Bhandarkar. It aimed at removing the evil social customs. It preached the worship of the one God and tried to free religion of the caste system and the priest domination. Arya Samaj. It was founded by Swami Dayananda Saraswati in the year 1875 at Mumbai. Arya Samaj is a Hindu reform movement in India that was founded by Swami Dayananda in 1875. Swami Dayananda Saraswati rejected all the non-Vedic belief. Arya Samaj condemned the idolatry, animal sacrifices and ancestral worships. It also was opposed to the ideas of pilgrimage, offerings made in temple, the caste system, untouchability and child marriage. The primary aim of the Arya Samaj is to do good for all, that is, promote physical, spiritual and social well-being. Now, the Arya Samaj has set up schools and missionary organizations and extended its activities outside India. Ramakrishna Mission. The Ramakrishna Mission was founded by the Swami Vivekananda in the year 1897 at West Bengal. Ramakrishna Mission is a humanitarian organization founded by the Sri Ramakrishnan Paramahamsa's chief disciple Swami Vivekananda in 1897. The aims and ideals of the mission are purely spiritual and humanitarian and has no relation with the politics. The principles of Karma Yoga in Bhagavad Gita are one of the main sources of inspiration for the Ramakrishna Mission. The mission conducts extensive work in healthcare, disaster relief, rural management, tribal welfare, elementary and higher education and culture. The headquarters of the Ramakrishna Mission is at Belur Math near Kolkata. Servants of India Society. It was founded by the Gopal Krishna Gokhale in the year 1905 in Maharashtra. The Servants of India Society was formed in Pune, Maharashtra on June 12, 1905 by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, who left the Deccan Education Society to form this association. Along with him were a small group of educated Indians as Natesh Appaji Dravid, Gopal Krishna Deodar and Anand Patwardhan, who wanted to promote social and human development and overthrow the British rule in India. The society organized many campaigns to promote education, sanitation, healthcare, and fight the social evils of the untouchability and discrimination, alcoholism, poverty, oppression of women, and domestic abuse. The publication of the Hitwada, the organ of the society in English from Nagpur, commenced in 1911. Social Service League. It was founded by the Narayan Malhar Joshi in the year 1911 at Mumbai. Narayan Malhar Joshi, who is the leading member of the Servants of India Society, founded the Social Service League in 1911. The objective of the movement was to collect and study social facts and discuss the social problems with a view to form the public opinion on questions of the social service and to secure for the masses a better quality of life and work. The league opened a number of day and night schools, libraries, dispensaries, and started boys' club and scouts corps. With this, we have come to the end of this session. Thank you for watching till the end. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to get the regular updates. Thank you.